are doing like this. What is that Durdaiva? Durdaivam idrisham. What is that defect for which he is weeping? Nama parad, Vaishnava parad, Dhamma parad, insulting of Vaishnava, criticism of Vaishnava, pure devotees. Even you are not willing to hear the criticism of any pure devotee, but anyhow you are hearing and not opposing, not cutting his tongue or his argument stopping. Then at once give up this place and take bath with your whole garment. Otherwise you will have to taste the fruit of Namaparad. Anyhow, be very careful. Namaparad. Krishna cannot tolerate. Nam Prabhu cannot tolerate. Oh, Namaparad. You should know all these things. There are 10 kinds of Namaparad. First part, not Guru Aparad.
Satang Ninda.
Or Satang Ninda. What is the meaning of Satang Ninda, Prabhu?
To criticize devotees who have dedicated their lives to spreading the holy name's glories.
If anyone is doing chanting also, remembering, serving in so way, and he thinks that I am doing bhakti, but he is criticizing, offending, then what will be? It is the result. Very soon, his bhakti, lata, will be uprooted at once. So try to be very careful. Nowadays this is common. In laughing, talking, oh, we criticize Vaishnava. For only worldly gain, something. For position and money. Thinking that my disciples are my property, not Krishna property. And those who are like disciples, oh, I must obey my Guru. If my Guru Dev is telling that with a gun you should shoot this high class of devotee, no harm. Or this is my Guru Seva and I will go to Golok Vrindavan. Bogus things. Nowadays going on. So many revolvers are going here, there, like this. Oh, I can do anything from my Guru. And Guruji is bogus and disciples both are bogus. They will both
go to hell without any
not
hell.
hell. Oh, Krishna was have to create new, very serious, any different kind of hell. This
There is no room for
not sufficient. So be clear in this subject. So also be very careful. Try to serve Guru fully, but not bogus Gurus. By all these symptoms you can see who are pure devotees, who are not pure devotees. We have come all not for any committee, not for institution, not for any person. Always remind this. For whom we have come? To serve Radha Krishna conjugal. To develop our Krishna consciousness. We have come. We have come to Guru. Why? For this. But if a Guru cannot help, oh, we should give up that Guru. If he is against his Guru, Vaishnava, maybe that he is not against his Gurudev, but not understanding his deep meaning. Then he is not chanting even. Oh, I am remembering always. Not chanting like this. Always in worldly talks. This should be avoided. Pure Guru, pure Vaishnava should be respected. Otherwise no bhakti. So this is Namaparad, neglecting of Vaishnavas, to criticize, to beat, no honor. If Vaishnava is coming and I took an umbrella and I make a shade, I went in this way. Understand what I told?
Yes.
You should clear.
If someone would take an umbrella to hide his face from a Vaishnava and go away so that he doesn't even see the face of that Vaishnava, that would be a very serious offense.
If my Gurudev is telling, don't go to elevated any high class of devotee, at once you should try to follow Bali Maharaj. What Bali Maharaj did? Rejected. Father, mother, making of you should don't go to high class of association where pure bhakti and pure Krishna Harikatha is going on. Then should we obey our father, mother, parents? Never. So these are Durdaiva. And that is why Anurag is not coming. Even Shraddha is not coming. Taste is not coming. If you want to have a taste, you should be prepared to follow Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gaur Premanand.